Good morning. In this lecture, we will discuss the losses in induction motor. The losses in induction motor are divided into two types: constant losses, also called as iron losses, and variable losses, also called as copper losses. These constant losses are further divided into two types called as hysteresis loss and eddy current loss. In a hysteresis loss, the formula goes like this: epsilon Bm raised to 1.6 F into V watts. In this eta is the hysteresis constant, Bm is the maximum flux density in an air gap, F is the frequency of a magnetic reversal, and V is the volume of core in meter cube. So if we observe this formula, the hysteresis loss depends upon the flux density. So we are using high quality material like silicon steel and cast steel to minimize hysteresis losses. Whereas in eddy current losses, the formula is K Bm square F square and T square, where K is a constant, Bm is the maximum flux density in air gap, F is the frequency of magnetic reversal, and T is the thickness of each lamination. So this thickness T is directly proportional to eddy current loss. Hence, we are making the stampings of our stator as thin as possible, that is 0.4 to 0.5 mm, to reduce the eddy current loss. Hence, to reduce the eddy current loss, we are using laminated sheets, and to reduce the hysteresis loss, we are using high quality magnetic materials such as silicon steel. So by controlling these two, we can control iron loss. The second type of loss is copper loss or iron loss. This loss is mainly depends upon the current flowing into the winding, stator winding also and rotor winding also. The formula for this loss is given by 3I square R. So this loss is directly proportional to square of a current flowing into the winding, stator winding as well as in rotor winding, into the resistance of stator winding and rotor winding. So this is the complete explanation for the losses in induction motor. Thank you.